Okay, so I'm going to do some discolorations, and this is another thing that you see commonly on Union Pacific locomotives. The lettering, the Scotchgard lettering usually will peel off real bad. So it's basically turned straight white, and it's all over the eye in Pacific. So I'm going to model that real quick by just taking my Q-tip, or not Q-tip, but a fine tip brush. And I'm going to go along the edge of the eye and put the white discoloration on there. Okay. I'll just keep working that on there. Like this. And then a little bit of it is on the F, which I'll put in. It's not as bad on the F though, it's only the worst of it's on the I. And then one more letter back here, again the I. The top corner here. I'm gonna with that real fast.